This is a pineapple, blueberry, apple juice smoothie. Now this is a healthy treat. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this in a few minutes. I'm just going to finish blending this up, and I'm going to. It tastes good. I'm going to finish blending this up because this tastes good. I know you can't hear me over the noise, but this is really good. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to make a healthy treat out of this. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some freeze pops out of this right here. Okay, and it's healthy and it's good and it just tastes really good. Like ice cream, but it's all fruit.